A new survey out today reports that a third of early childhood teachers are considering leaving the profession. More than 2,000 teachers took part in the NZEI workforce survey, with a key area of concern the mandated ratios of teachers to children, which they say means health and safety is being compromised. Earlier, I spoke to early childhood teacher and NZEI representative Zane McCarthy and asked if he was surprised at the results.
Unfortunately not. So our survey and report, Kōrero, we've done it over, this is the third year, and we've just seen a downward trend in the mood, the feeling of early childhood educators, and so unfortunately it's not a surprise this year.
This allegation of compromised health and safety due to teacher-child ratios, this is really concerning. What needs to be done about this?
First thing, I would be encouraging the government to reverse the proposed changes to the regulations put forward by David Seymour's Ministry of Regulation. And then the second thing would be to improve teacher-to-child ratios. So at the moment, you can have one teacher with 5 under-2s, and just think about that in practice. You can have one child needing a bottle, another child needing a sleep, and then you've still got 3 other children that you are looking after.
And Zane, with the 2-year-olds and over, it's 1 adult to 10 children, so it gets even harder. What is that like as an ECE teacher?
At the moment, with these ratios, we are just managing. We are just managing, and it needs addressing and improving, because the tamariki are the ones ultimately who are suffering.
The survey also cites burnout, high workload, uncertainty over future pay parity with primary teachers. There seems to be a lot to be unsatisfied about.
Yes, ultimately it's just there's not the recognition for the work that we are doing. Those first 5 years are just absolutely crucial in setting up the tamaiti in their future. If you don't get it right at the start, then it's not looking good for them.
There seems to be a lot of reasons for wanting to leave ECE, but what about the reasons to stay?
I mean, I'm still here. I love it. But again, that love for the job and just seeing the smiles on the face of the child when they learn something new, that doesn't pay for a block of butter, does it?
Yeah, it's difficult, isn't it? Just finally, to shore up the ECE sector, what do you think needs to happen? Is there consensus, for example, about what these teacher-to-child ratios should be?
We need to have a discussion, a proper discussion, and look into what the ratio should be. We should be listening to academics and the workforce. But at the moment, we have a government and people in charge who are not willing to listen to the people who know about early childhood education. So let's get started there and start having that dialogue and actually figure out how we can provide the best for tamariki.